howdy, it's hot as balls out. So I found a recipe for some no churn ice cream that we're gonna try. This is Blaine, by the way. Alright. So we're gonna go in this bitch and we're gonna get the ingredients that we need. We'll check back in with y'all whenever we got that.
Peace.
Alright, peace out.
Selena's chocolate and cinnamon cream cookies.
Ooh. Acquired.
Well, it's vanilla flavor, but it's almost.
That's $11.
Oh, true.
Hold up.
Oh,
Great value. Pure
vanilla extract. Condensed milk acquired.
Alright.
Acquired. What the fuck is Neufchâtel cheese? You ever heard of that shit?
No.
Oh, we just like one of these things. How many?
We need 4 ounces. How many ounces in there? 8 ounces.
8
We're
ounces.
good. Just one.
Hey.
Can I?
Nice, I'm glad.
Kosher salt.
Kosher salt acquired.
Kosher salt.
Wow.
Kosher salt.
Wow. That's brick mortar right there.
That's brick mortar for
Yeah.
sure. I thought this was
Brown
brown sugar.
Mmm.
Brown
What
sugar.
you mixing with? Sugar.
Sugar.
Powdered sugar. You make some nice donuts.
Yeah.
It's
So
supposed
this
to
is good.
yeah, it's supposed to feel like this, but nah. We got bricks.
Yeah, that feels bricky. That feels nice.
Alright, we're out of Walmart. That shit running at us. 1952. Like you can't see the damn. There you go.
Basically $20.
It cost $20.
It basically cost $20.
To get the items we need.
We got 48 cents back.
Yeah.
Man, Walmart economy. I'm joking.
Man, economy, inflammation.
Inflammation. Yeah, you got some economy inflammation.
My economy's been real inflamed here recently.
That's fair. Alright,
It's fluctuated, right?
we're gonna be on our way back. We're gonna get the ice cream made because it is hot.
It's hot as balls.
It's very
Hot as
hot.
big,
Very
yeah.
hot.
Okay, we're back. We have all the things that we need to make it. Now, you were going to be passed over to my good and trusted friend. He will not hurt you. He will not abandon. He might hurt you. He won't abandon you though.
Yeah,
That would never happen.
No,
Just slightly hurt.
just very slight.
Very slightly, a minuscule amount. Step 1: in a large bowl, beat cream cheese until smooth.
All right.
Add vanilla.
Wait.
Vanilla?
We'll get there whenever we get there. Add 4 ounces of cream cheese.
I got this.
There we go. Look.
So that's about half,
at
right?
Yeah, it's about half.
Mmm.
Plop half
Listen,
into the
we
bowl.
ain't measuring people. We the type of people to look at it, eye it, and be like, that's good enough.
We eyeball it and we go.
Yeah, I'm gonna eyeball it and we're gonna hope for the best.
That's sticky.
Alright.
Look me in the bed.
Alright. Now you gotta beat that until smooth.
You're gonna be smooth soon, boy.
The beat's all yours.
Oh God. Okay. We only got to use like
Look at that.
this much cream cheese, dude.
I don't know if there's going to be any way you're beating that.
That
We will
thing's
add the
sticking.
vanilla extract.
Nah, probably
Well,
not.
we need to add heavy cream, vanilla, and salt and continue to beat until stiff form for
Right.
about 2
You know
minutes.
what? I'm going to pull
It's
this
already
out.
stiff. What you
I mean, yeah. So we're
I know
supposed to
what
beat
he
it until
means.
smooth.
We're getting it.
Look at him spin.
It really just looks like it's sticking to the glass.
Yeah, it kind of. Yeah, it is.
Wait.
The money
Oh,
shot.
Mmm,
that helps
look at him
a
add.
little bit.
Mmm.
Looks delicious, don't it? Look, let's get a closer look at that.
Just like Grandma used to make
I doubt that.
Back in the 90s.
back in 1812. Make like Michael Jackson.
No, I don't wanna.
Why not?
I don't know if I want to do that.
You're not even gonna like grab your crotch and
No,
do the
no,
thing.
no,
A
no.
moonwalk for us,
I
man.
can't move on. Oh.
Can't moonwalk either.
Nah, I can do a little bit.
I don't even blame the man.
Yeah. Boogie. You doing the boogie.
Alright.
God, I'm doing the boogie.
It's creaming.
It's creaming. You just
It
got to.
sure is creaming. You can hear it. Hear that? We're gonna need 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract,
2 of these.
2 of those, and we're gonna need 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt.
One of these small ones.
Dump it in there.
Oh, there it goes.
That's one.
Oh yeah, turned it nice and brown.
There it goes, right in,
Just like my
church.
shit.
And it brown. Oh, look at that.
Oh yeah.
We're not gonna need all of these, are we?
More than likely.
How
likely
many
not.
cookies are in
Oh
there?
wait, no, yeah, it's
We only need
7.5 ounces.
Yeah, we only need 7 ounces. There's 1 ounce.
2,
per
3,
each.
yeah.
So we
4,
need
5, 6,
Well, we need
7,
half of
8.
one.
I would just do.
Yeah, just do 8 and we'll do half of the 8.
We'll just
Yeah.
half that.
Blaine, buddy, come try one of these.
I want
Oh,
one
heck
with
yeah.
I also want a cookie.
Quick intermission break.
A quick intermission.
Alright. These are soft baked cookies by Pillsbury.
Oh no.
And there he goes his.
It's alright.
It's
Little
all
dirt.
good.
Never heard
We're about
of
to try these. Y'all boys ready? Clank.
Like it.
Good cookie.
Mm-hmm.
Real stiff.
1/4 teaspoon.
I'm working on that currently. Oh no.
That right there. That is, yeah.
Right now.
Oh, yeah.
Try.
Come on this way.
Get it from the side.
I'm a great
That
camera.
way we'll have all of that kosher salt.
Look at that.
Is that your preferred method?
That's
Thick.
The camera.
Oh, look at you
Got
go.
clothes hanging. Get that out of here.
Alright.
So I had a
Howdy.
conversation with a fish.
You got a conversation with a fish?
You had a fish?
I asked him if this was a good idea.
Ice cream?
No churn ice
Oh
cream.
no, churn ice cream.
Yes, and you know what he told me?
What did the fish tell you?
Glubble glubble.
Global, global. What did that translate to?
He's like, I know, I don't speak fish.
Well, then what?
The way he said it, though, it really meant a lot to me. Alright, it really I felt it, deep in my chest.
You catch any of this?
meaning.
Yeah, I knew it had meaning what he said.
What do you think about the fish?
It's a good fish.
I don't know. I don't know if that's a good sign or a bad sign.
You can tell he used that arm. Oh, he ambidextrous now.
You use both arms. You never just start with one arm.
What's your preferred arm? I'm for stirring.
Oh,
Your
for
right hand?
stirring?
Your left one? Nah. What about
I'll
you?
tell you.
You'll tell you?
Right hand.
Your right hand, that one?
Well, you know what, Blaine? You're my right-hand man.
Lord.
Yes, sir.
That's a good high five.
It was.
Feels like the consistency of like
No.
yogurt, you know?
I love yogurt.
You like yogurt?
Yeah, I like yogurt.
What's your favorite type of yogurt?
I like blueberry.
Blueberry?
Sometimes strawberry kiwi isn't bad, though.
I never had that one. I ate.
You can have them in animals.
I don't
Oh,
need
thanks. I
much
was
yogurt.
thirsty.
Oh, okay.
Did you actually get a bunch of it? Oh my god.
It's a lot of salt, buddy.
Salty.
Hey, yeah. You gonna take my glasses?
My
Oh, you
fat head.
You look evil now.
Yes.
I don't know how much more
I'm back.
stiff we
How was your
gonna
salt?
get with
How was the
this.
experience?
It was alright, actually.
Nice.
The aftertaste of it all isn't bad.
I do.
It was just the initial
Yeah, no,
salty.
the initial taste, it felt
We
like
got-
I
we
just,
getting peaks?
you know,
I'm blind.
Hey, we kind of getting peaks in there a little
you
bit.
missing your
Yeah.
cane.
I say we gotta keep beating though.
I say someone else beat.
Let me beat.
Yeah, let Travis, you beat it. You beat it.
Because my beating arm done beat it out. I am,
feel me?
however, going to get me some of this.
Dumb broke.
It's my Amazon of work, related break bell. I gotta stop.
Oh, my bad. I didn't know that was the work big bill. Back to work bill. Why does it look all like?
It's like
my bad.
DQ.
Oh, yeah.
Hey.
You ever turn your ice cream upside down and say if it falls out, you
Mhm.
get one for free? Hey, it's the same concept.
I guess we get
I guess we get
I
one
guess.
for free.
Yeah. Add milk and fold to combine, then add 2 cups of bunny grams.
Watch him put. Oh,
Oh my lord!
yes, sir. Look at that.
Look at all that.
It's a little slow.
You got anything to say about this?
It makes me uncomfortable in a way.
Why make you?
Oh, there we go.
Just the way it's like slowly dribbling out, it bothers me.
Damn.
That's what I always do. With any one of my
stabbing
victims, I keep stabbing them.
Oh, yeah.
Don't ever stop stabbing them.
How about you breaking them?
Huh?
You're breaking them.
That's the
It
whole
looks
point.
like snot.
It do kind of look like snot.
Close up of the.
Yeah, put it on
Okay.
there.
Kind of looks like
Everybody just clicked off.
Yeah.
Everyone.
It kind of looks like we're drizzling mayonnaise onto it.
We're making nobody want to eat this. I don't even want to eat it. And I'm standing here watching it get made.
Well, too bad. We're going to stuff you.
This is an
It's real.
angle,
Don't
dude.
get that angle. Turn it
Nah,
around.
this is the angle.
It's very white and delicate. You have to like, you know.
That's his new YouTube handle, White and
Gotta give
Delicate.
it a little gentle tap.
This is awful.
Look at him.
Gonna be a good photo.
It's gonna. There's gonna be like. There's just gonna.
God, that's sweet.
Is it?
Good.
Take your boys.
It's alright though.
Yeah, it's not bad. It tastes like vanilla ice cream.
There it comes. This all came out.
Lane, stop talking.
Yeah.
Here, let's get the photo of us destroying all this.
Oh, I already started adding
Yeah, I know. Blaine's got the perfect shot for it.
salt bed.
Look at all that.
We need some bigger chunks and some smaller
That
chunks.
goes on my finger.
Everybody likes more.
Oh, you got it? Oh my god. I'm sorry for taking it from you. That was a nice catch though, Blaine.
Oh, we got large. Very large.
Pictures.
Now it looks kind of good.
Well, yeah, it's just cookie crumble.
Sweet.
So now we add this
sweet
to that,
taste
right?
of it.
I think. Try
Cream
it.
cheese.
Night and tightly cover a pan with plastic wrap and keep frozen.
Come over here. Let's get this done off of
Yeah.
Alright. It's in the pan.
Is indeed in the pan.
Look at it.
We missed the entire process of him pouring it into the pan.
Yup.
Ah. Well, all I did was pour it in the pan.
Take the
This
final
shit ain't
product.
Joshua Wiseman or however you say
I
it.
think it is Joshua Wiseman.
That's what I thought.
We got tin foil. And lay that. Oh. We're gonna go bring this in the freezer. And this
Sometimes
easy,
I
you
wish
can
I
bring
was
this in.
tough. Same here, brother.
Yeah, I should have room. Alright. I'm gonna take this,
Right in the
pop it
fridge.
into the fridge for 5 hours, or freezer for 5 hours. We're letting that freeze
Mhm.
for 5 hours,
Mhm.
and we'll be back whenever we decide to.
Alright. It's been the next day. We are now gonna try the no churn ice cream that we made. This is Evan, by the way. Say hello.
We're not unveiling.
Looks like ice cream.
It's solid as a rock.
Get in there though. Damn, he got a block. Alright, everybody get a piece of.
Oh, we're just gonna try the chunk.
Yeah, I said we just try the chunk.
What you
Try the
feeling?
chunk, I say. How's it taste? Got your chunk?
Yeah, I got my
Yeah.
chunk.
Alright, let's cheers this.
Is it good?
boys.
I'd give it a solid 6.
Let's cheers this.
Alright,
Flank it.
it turned out alright.
Yeah.
Whatever seconds.
Yeah. Of course.
I give it a 7.2.
Alright, Blaine. I'll give out an 8.5 out of 10.
Hey.
I think it turned out pretty high. Blaine
your
seems
opinion?
conflicted.
Do you think
7.
7?
Yeah.
Alright. Do you all think that this would help you beat the summer heat?
Yes.
Hell yeah. We accomplished our goal.
Well, I mean, I think if you took the tray and placed it on your back, it would help you beat the summer heat.
That has been how to make no churn ice cream or how to beat the summer heat. Anything you boys want to say to the camera?
Remember, it's summer out there. It's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Swamp ass is apparent. Stay safe.
What about you?
Hey, I say making you some of this. Chill out. Nice summer day. Cool ice cream.
Mm-hmm.
Enjoy.
Mm-hmm. What about you?
Sun's gonna be out for a while. Wear sunscreen.
Alright. What about you?
I was going to say the exact same thing.
Shit something out.
Make it. It's pretty fucking good.
Alright. You all heard these motherfuckers?